Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now, before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector like this one. So this should be provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, but if you can't find it, you could use also a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray. Just located on the top left side of the phone, push the pin in, the tray will come out, and from here, once you take it out, you should have space for SIM card, or two different SIM cards, and one SD card. So I'm going to occupy one of each. There we go, and then simply insert it back into your phone. The cards should start working right away, so let's see if we have any kind of pop-ups. So you have a SIM pop-up, so it did detect the SIM card, and there's the SD card pop-up as well, so it detected that as well. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.